Built with enormous capacity to haul your cargo anywhere in the world, the extra-large trunk spinner is prepared to tackle the most tenacious travel itinerary. Made using 3 layers for scratch resistance with 100% virgin Macrolon polycarbonate, Torq's outer shell is high-strength, lightweight, and provides elasticity and resiliency. Premium metal hardware, tactile and retractable soft-touch carry handles, and strategically molded grab locations make handling the bag easy. And a monogrammable plate allows you to add your distinct initials, making the bag all your own. Our iconic handle is made from aircraft-grade aluminum and has 3 stages to adapt to travelers of different heights. An integrated ID tag in between the handlebars is a sleek way to conceal your personal information. The exceptionally wide wheelbase makes the bag tilt-resistant for maximum stability, while double spinner wheels with metal ball bearings provide effortless 360-degree navigation and a long rolling life. This extra-large trunk has an 80/20 lid opening, which allows the trunk to be easily packed and zipped shut. The interior is fully lined in a light fractal camouflage pattern, which makes finding contents easy. The main packing base of the bag features wide mesh cinch-down garment panels with a simple single-strap buckle closure to secure clothes in place, minimizing shifting in transit and reducing wrinkling. When absolute capacity is a must, the extra-large trunk spinner is the cargo king. Premium hardware and components, meticulous attention to detail, and rugged construction delivers exactly what you need.